Hey there, I'm Emma. I'm a writer, recipe developer, and cookie monster.
A big little recipe has big flavor and a little ingredient list.
Today, our food stylist Kate is making my recipe for the easiest oatmeal cookies. Rubbing the brown sugar between your hands gets rid of all the lumps. Make sure the tahini is stirred super well before you measure. These cookies don't spread on their own, so smushing helps them out. Bake until the edges are just starting to brown. Afternoon snack? Yes, please. And that's oatmeal cookies in 3 ingredients. Let's eat.